College of Teachers Education CTE PGT កបរិកស្លឹមអាយជីកៃបិនពិនតពិតយគិសំឡាកបៃដេបរកម្មហិកៃគុំជីបនតាបនយ៉ាចខ្មាត់ហកជីងរខៀដាប់រូផូស្ណាំកនិកស្លឹមអាយជីកៃហកសិត្រឧណៃវេងអារចាអរពឡៃកលពិនគុតណយអកតមសា College Week កបលស្ដាងណដូកអរពញោត្រិករីសោអារចាអរពឡៃហកនិកស្ងីពិនគុតលវ៉ាន់បញ្ញាសិមបនតារ MLA កណងក្រាមឧបា Ardent M Basaiawmoit គុំកងសានហរិងកាត់កជីដនឡាំងក Principal ចង្កតេក College ក Dr. RM Tongper ក Principal បរិមចង្ក Shillong College ក Dr. MPR Lingdo នងតៅបា WL Lingdo President ក Governing Body ណលរគីវៃប៉ាន់ហកនិស្ងីពិនគុតយ៉ាងនិកតមសាលពិនចងឈិតដកជីសិមបនតាគិសំឡាបាត់គិណោហិកៃហកជីងរ៉ៃជីងឆាតបលសាមរុយអគិមេមេនទូសចគិណោយសិមបនតាហកី program បផេបលពិនឡងហកីស្ងីបលដាប់Habakran kumukong sana ketika sengi uba Ardent ulah kentui ki samla pulie bagi day ban long ki shlur ban ong M ya ka bakim sngew ïahap bo lo ong ru bagi samla ki di ban bo ya ka koj ka khia kum kamat ka bahakmat do hakajing em jongki.
So my simple advice to each one of you is to stop thinking too much. Be content of what you can do and stop worrying about what you cannot do. Remind yourself that you too are human beings. You need to regulate your minds and bodies. Prepare a routine for your daily life and live accordingly. I must say that fear factor is also another cause of concern. Sometimes people push themselves too much, even beyond their strength and capability, because of the fear of the higher authority. This, I feel, is wrong. We must have the courage to say no when we are asked to do something which is against our moral stand and beyond our limits. This kind of a break is not meant only for a day or once, but it has to be on a regular basis and practice that each one of you needs to follow throughout your life, for the good of your own health, which will ultimately become your lasting wealth. So today I know that this College Week has a lot of significance, since it coincides with a Diamond Jubilee celebration. It takes us down to the memory lane in the journey of the college. It reminds each one of you how this college was started and where it has reached today. Therefore, we are duty-bound to remember and pay tribute to all those who were instrumental in the establishment of the college. We are now witnessing the growth of this college through ceaseless effort of many responsible persons, and they have really left a legacy behind us which we would love to cherish.
เข็นเรื่องปรา